Hello, presentation. My name is Andrea Castro. What are you? 34 years old. Where are you from? Bogotá. Where are you? Life is Bogotá. Ian studied at administration. Family description. She is Camila Castro. She is daughter. Where are you from? She is from Bogotá. How old are you? She is 12 years old. She likes play in the sky. She is a student. She is Rubiela Castro. She is sister. Where are you from? She is from Bogotá. How old are you? She is 41 years old. She is like exercise. What is your profession? She is a coach. She is Sophia. She is nice. Where are you from? She is from Bogotá. How old are you? She is 6 years old. She likes read book. She is a student. He is Felix. She is Beth. Where are you from? He is from Bogotá. How old are you? He is 4 years old. He is like sleep. Bye bye.